Hi, guys, and welcome to our 14th pre-match press conference. This is before our game tomorrow against SC East Bengal. We have today with us our assistant coach, Clifford Miranda, and a new signing, Adil Khan. As always, this PC is being streamed live on Facebook, but worry not, only the player and the assistant coach would be shown on the screen. If you have any question, use your raise hand option and we'll mute you when you're not asking the question. It's the same rule as always. The floor is now open to questions, but as always, we'll take first questions for the player and then we'll take questions for the coach. So questions for Adil, please raise your hand. Yes, Anselm, please go ahead.
Hi, Adil. Hi, Clifford. Adil, coming to FC Goa now, the signing has, kind of raised your hopes of more chances for playing time. But, at Hyderabad as well, the coach had praised you highly, but it's only that the way they play was not he did not want to change the system. So how does a player like you, who's proved his credentials, how does he react to situations like these?
It was difficult for me in the beginning of the season because I was out due to injury for almost like 2 weeks. So I couldn't match the fitness level of the players. So I couldn't start my matches when season started. But it happens in it's this is football. It happens. This is life. Someone else will take your place. One is doing well. That person is doing well. Of course, coach will think about that person more than the guy who hasn't played. Even I did play a single training matches. So he didn't know about me much. So that's the thing. But it was difficult for me. But now, luckily, I got the chance to come and prove myself here, and hopefully, I will do it.
Thank you, Adil. Thank you, Anselm. Marcus, yes.
Yeah, hi, Adil. Adil,
Hi.
were you also worried a bit about your future with the national team because you were not playing? Were you worried that maybe Simaj will not select you? Was that playing in
Uh,
your mind?
There was not a worry, but a little bit of concern because, of course, if you don't play, if you don't show your games in the current season, it's difficult for coach also to, believe in you and trust in you again. But I think I should get my chance in the camp so that I can prove myself again there and get my place in the team. So there was not a this thing. I was not scared about it, but yeah, there was a concern about it.
Adil, do you have to make any adjustments at FC Goa, or do you think you will slot in immediately? Yeah?
Hopefully, depend on the coach. But right now, I'm trying to know the system they play, the formation, the style of play. I'm trying to grab that thing as soon as possible. So depend on the coach. I think definitely I will work on it and I'll prove
All,
myself there.
all the best for the match tomorrow, Adil.
Thank you, Marcus.
Thanks, Marcus. The floor is now open to questions for both the assistant coach and the player. Yes, Marcus, you still have a
Yeah,
question?
Clifford, how difficult will it be against East Bengal tomorrow? Assuming there are a few injuries within the team and Ivan is not available because of suspension.
Hi, Marcus.
Hi.
This game is as important as any other game. For us, we play the same way how we have played till the 13th game, and for us, it does not make a difference. Yes, it's a very important game, just like any other game. Well, one more step towards achieving our objective. We have a bit of concern with yes, of course, Iban is not available because of his suspension, and Brendan is not available because of his injury. Otherwise, we have a good team. That is why we have a squad, and if someone is not there, then there's always someone to replace.
Okay. Thanks, Clifford. All the best for the match tomorrow.
Thank you.
Flavio.
Yeah, hi Clifford, hi Adil. Clifford, the AFC Champions League draw, how has it motivated the players, and how will the performance be in the ISL?
Flavio, in this moment, to be honest, we are only thinking about East Bengal. In this moment, we are not thinking beyond that. Not even the game after and after. Right now, the focus of the players, the coaching staff, the head coach and the entire team is on the next team against East Bengal. We will go step by step, and we will come, cross the bridge when we are there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Any more questions? Please do raise your hand, and I'll come to you. Yes, Srivats.
Yeah, good afternoon. My question to Assistant Coach Clifford. So the player sitting beside you, Adil Khan, has came on loan. So what do you think the special factor he will bring into the team?
For us at FC Goa, anyone who comes and improves our team is a welcome sign. And there is no doubt about, in this case, about Adil's case, in Adil's instance, because any player who plays in the national team has to have quality. And I'm sure he's been playing in the national team. That means he has a lot of quality. It depends, and he's come in our team to improve our team. So he can help us, and we will help him to get what he wants, to reach a level where we can improve him a bit, he can improve our team, and together we can help each other. For sure, he's a very good player. If that was not the thing, then he wouldn't have been in the national team playing for such a long time. So any player that comes in our team is a welcome sign for us to improve us, and in a way we can help him a little bit here and there.
Any team injuries, coach, or a player who will miss the match?
Except Brendan, and who's injured, and Ivan, who's out on suspension. We have players available, and we have still one more training session to go.
Yeah, thank you, coach. Good luck for the game.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marcus.
Yeah, Adil, you have a long-term contract with Hyderabad. We know that you didn't get a chance to prove yourself this season with the coach. So how difficult was it for you to approach the coach and maybe the club and tell them that maybe you need to go somewhere else for the rest of the season? Was it a difficult decision for you?
It was difficult because a few matches I waited for my opportunity, but I didn't come, and I realized it's difficult for him also to change because the system had already set and they were doing well. I went and spoke to coach about this, and he said, I need you here, because he was trying to change the system in back three, but we didn't get proper time to train, because when you change the system, you need a little bit of time. As per now, this is the pandemic season, and there is no much time for the teams to to change the system. So it was difficult for him also to change. So that's how I spoke to him about it, and I told him, if you think I won't be useful for you, let me go and play somewhere else so that I get a game time. So that's how it worked, and I thank them for allowing me and going to the different team and play some matches.
Shayantan, you have a question?
Yeah. Hello, Clifford. Hello, Adil. I have a question for Clifford. In the last game against East Bengal, we have seen Bright Enobakhare has scored one of the wonder goals of the season. So is there any special plan to stop him in tomorrow's game?
Yeah, he scored a wonderful goal the last time on, didn't he? But then, it was just he's a good player. There's no doubt about it, and has improved East Bengal since his arrival. But then there's no such plan as to stop one player, because if we start concentrating on one player, then there are other 10 to 9 players, outfield players, who can hurt us. So we play the way how we play. Is normal. There is no plan for any special player. But yes, yeah, if there is some players who are closer to the box, we try to close down space. We try to close down the man. But to man mark in modern football, and the way how we play is won't be the way how we will go in this game. We will play the way how we have been playing up till this 13th game.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Flavio?
Yeah, Clifford, FC Goa unbeaten in 6 matches. What do you think has gone right for FC Goa in this period?
Flavio, the most important thing about this team in this period is the adaptation to the new coach, the coach has to, the adaptation from one towards the players that he had to, the players that he got, so it's never easy. It's never easy. So step by step, we are moving towards the objective. We are moving towards the way how the coach wants the team to play, and I believe is in the right direction. It's not that from the beginning it was we were not. It's just that sometimes, normally when you have a new team, a young team, with almost a lot of young and new faces and a new coach, it always takes time for the players and the coach to absorb each other. And once that's enough, then it's just a process.
Thank you.
Yes, Marcus.
Yeah, Adil, Ivan is suspended for the match tomorrow. And Donaki, we saw he was injured in the last game. So if Donaki doesn't get fully fit, there is a possibility of two Indian central defenders, maybe an all Indian defense. As an experienced defender, how do you look at the situation? Do you believe Indian defenders can also measure up to the challenge against strikers like Pilkington, Bright? I mean, how do you look at that?
Of course, we have to believe in ourselves. This is Indian Super League. We can't only trust. Depend on the foreigners. We make a team in such a way that who should come and fill the boots who are not available. I think we have a good squad to fill the boots, and hopefully we will do better in the coming game. And tomorrow we'll see how it works for everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else has a question? Kindly raise your hand, or else I'll bring this to an end. I don't see any more questions. Okay. Thank you, Adil. Thank you, Coach, for your time, valuable time, and thank you for everyone who has joined us. We'll see you soon again.
Yeah. Bye.